Dear students, we have started programmable logic devices of unit 3rd, last topic of the unit 3rd. We have already discussed about the PLDs and types of PLDs. In the previous class we have discussed about the ROM and its types. Now today we are talking about PLA, programmable logic array. Programmable logic array uses programmable AND array and programmable OR array. Hence, it is the most flexible PLD. You can see the block diagram of PLA here. It is programmable AND array using and programmable OR array. The inputs of AND gates are programmable. That means each AND gate has both normal and complemented inputs of variables. So, based on this, we can program any of those input. So, we can generate only the required product terms by using these AND gates. The inputs of OR gates are also programmable, so we can program any number of required product terms since all the outputs of AND gates are applied to the input of OR gates. Therefore, the output of PAL will be in the form of sum of product. Now, let us see an example. Implement the Boolean functions using PLA. Two Boolean functions we have taken. A is equal to xy plus xz dash, and second function is b is equal to xy dash plus yz plus xz dash. So both the Boolean functions a and b we are going to implement in one PLA circuit. So let us see the circuit here. We have taken four input lines x, y, z, and this line we have taken, but it is not going to be used. We have used four rows of AND gates. So these are programmable AND gates input. These two are OR gates input. This is A and this is B. Now this line in Boolean function A, we want to have the product terms xy, xz dash, xyz, yz, and xz dash. So x for xy's term, x and y. This is the complemented line. This is the complemented line. This is also complemented line. So where we want xy to connect this x and this y to this. So we have put a sign cross. This is called masking of the lines. So we have masked x, we have masked y on this line. So the output is xy. Here we need xz dash. So this is z dash, this is x. So xz dash. We want xy dash. So this is x line, this is y dash line. So xy z dash. Now we want yz. So this is y line, this is z line. So it is giving us yz line. Now masking of OR. Masking of OR means we need xy dash plus yz plus xz. So xy dash plus yz plus xz dash. So mask here, mask here, mask here. So b is equal to xyz, xy dash plus yz plus xz dash. And for a we need xy. So we will put a mask over here, xy and xz dash. So we will put a mask over here. So a will be equal to xy plus xz dash. It means the given two functions are in the sum of products form. The number of product term present in the given Boolean functions a and b are 2 and 3 respectively. Here in the A function A there are 2 terms and here there are 3 terms. Therefore, we require 4 programmable AND gates and 2 programmable OR gates for producing those 2 functions. You can see in the diagram. The inputs x, x dash, y, y dash and z, z dash are available at the input of each AND gate. So program only the required literals in order to generate one product term by each AND gate. All these product terms are available at the input of each programmable OR gate, but only program the required product terms in order to produce the respective Boolean functions by each OR gate. The symbol X is used for programmable connection, that is, as we said, as the masking. So implement various Boolean functions given in your textbook with the help of PLA and answer in the group.